Every iconic luxury lipstick begins with nature's rarest colors. These rare pigments begin a carefully protected journey to the atelier.
Inside the atelier, every ingredient is treated as a work of art.
Each pigment is inspected before it earns a place in the signature formula.
The transformation begins, turning raw minerals into the foundation of exceptional color. Every particle is refined to achieve exceptional smoothness and color purity.
Luxury cosmetics demand precision measured down to the smallest fraction. Rare pigments unite with nourishing ingredients to create the atelier's signature blend.
Temperature and timing unlock the lipstick's luxurious texture and lasting performance.
With the formula perfected, the atelier is ready to transform liquid color into iconic luxury lipsticks.
Automation ensures every lipstick begins with the same perfect amount of color.
Controlled cooling locks in the lipstick's flawless shape and creamy texture.
Every reveal marks the birth of a perfectly crafted luxury lipstick. The finishing stage transforms precision into pure elegance.
Only flawless pieces continue their journey toward becoming a luxury beauty icon. Precision engineering meets timeless elegance as every lipstick receives its signature case. The atelier's signature is engraved with extraordinary precision, symbolizing craftsmanship and heritage.
Every lipstick is examined until perfection is confirmed from every angle. Presentation reflects the same attention to detail as the formula inside.
From rare pigments to timeless beauty, the journey is complete, ready to inspire customers around the world. Every shipment begins a carefully coordinated journey toward beauty destinations across the globe. Protected under carefully controlled conditions, every lipstick travels with uncompromising care. The atelier's craftsmanship now becomes part of an unforgettable luxury experience.
Every detail, from presentation to performance, reflects the atelier's pursuit of perfection.
From the world's rarest pigments to a masterpiece of luxury craftsmanship, every lipstick tells a story of precision, artistry, and timeless beauty.